Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So, do you want to sell beyond your local area? Facebook Marketplace allows you to offer shipping so buyers across the country can purchase your item directly. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to offer shipping on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what offering shipping means. So enabling shipping allows you to sell outside your local radius, accept online payments, ship directly to buyers, and track orders easily. So shipping turns your listing into an e-commerce style sale, okay? So first thing first, open the Facebook application, tap the marketplace icon. On desktop, click marketplace from the left sidebar. So now tap sell, tap create listing, choose item for sale, for example. Shipping is only available for eligible item categories. Okay, so now I want you to upload pictures, okay, add title and description, set price, choose category and condition, accurate details, reduce disputes. Okay, so in delivery method, select shipping and local pickup, okay, or select shipping only. Enter package weight, confirm shipping method, review selling fees. So shipping cost is usually paid by the buyer, okay? So if first time, verify identity, add bank account details, confirm payouts method and required for receiving funds. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.